Hi, hello, how are you? How you feeling? How you living? Today, I'm going to teach you guys a few tips, just like a few of them, that will make you an amazing moderator. If you have not already watched some of my videos on modding and you're new to it, there's going to be a playlist in the cards right up here where you can click on that and go and watch through some of those videos of how to add commands, stuff like that for Nightbot in particular as well. Now, this is a video for some of our more advanced peeps. You want to become the God mod. I'm going to show you how to do that. And today, everything is through chat. So you're going to be able to do this as a moderator without having to go onto the Nightbot website. So the first thing I want to do is let you guys know I actually learned how to do the count command and the reset of the count command. Let's go ahead and jump over to that right now. All right, what we see here is just what you can just copy and paste and put them in there. But I'm going to explain a little bit of them right now. This top one here is just adding the initial count command. So it's just commands add !dead, Nick has died, money sign, parenthesis, count, close that parenthesis, and then times. This basically counts up by 1 every single time the command is used. Now, this next one's a little bit more complicated looking, and it's going to be a little bit weird at first. But we're going to go over this more in some of the things that I'm going to explain coming up. All right. So you got ! commands add !resetdead, or you can name this whatever you want, and then you're going to go -a equals, and then you go !commands edit !dead. You're going to go /-c equals -1. What this does is it basically resets your command. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste this command. So it just that one count command, I'm putting that in right now. So we go boom, enter. Now that's been added. So if I go !dead, it should count up. We'll go again, dead. Oh, sorry, there's a cooldown on it. We'll go again, dead. Boom. Awesome. So Nick has died 2 times. So now if we want to reset this, let's go ahead and grab this one here. I'm going to copy that. So now we have set up that command to reset this thing, all right? So now all I have to do is I have to go !reset dead. And now the dead command has been successfully edited. So if I go !dead, it's back to 0 times. The biggest thing you want to make sure is that this is all set up correctly, because what's happening here is this !reset dead is actually has an alias connected to it that edits the dead command down to -1 technically, and then it automatically pushes it back to 0. I don't know why this is needed right here to go to -1, but it just works, and I found that it works. I don't know why exactly, but it works. Okay, if someone else knows why, then great. Now through this whole like -a equals, like this alias like thing that we can add through the chat, I learned also how to add Userlevel and a cooldown. So let's take a look at that really quick. Okay, so what we're looking at here is just a couple of commands that you can type into the chat in order to change certain things about a command that normally you would only be able to do through the website. And so what we see here is -a equals, and this is for aliases. I think that's how you spell that. The UL is going to be for Userlevel. The CD is going to be for cooldown. Now this is just like something fun that I learned just through trying to learn this damn count command. But this is kind of how you use this. So if you want to add a command, now you can just do like add or edit, right? Now if you want to add or edit a command, you can basically go !commands add/edit. Then you're going to type the full command in there, right? We go !hello, hi, and then to user. This is all just like this whatever command you have in here. And then say I want to make the cooldown 10 seconds. What I'll do is go $CD equals 10. All right, so let's go ahead and try this really quick. I've already got a hello command, so I'm going to actually just do edit here. So !commands edit, !hello, hi to user, and then the cooldown -CD equals 10. Let's see if this works. It's been successfully edited. So let's go ahead and go over to Nightbot and let's see if this one has actually been edited. Okay, perfect. The cooldown is actually at 10 seconds. So it works. It works. Now we see Userlevel here. Let's try to change that Userlevel now. So now what we're going to do for our Userlevel is we're actually going to just go ahead and put UL instead of CD. Now it doesn't have to be capital, but yeah, we can just make it lowercase. And I think we're gonna try to make this a moderator. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's copy this, paste it. We're just going to edit because we already have that command in there. Now let's see if this works. Boom. Perfect. All right, so what we need to make sure that this is lowercase. Everything needs to be lowercase on here. So let's go ahead and check and see if this worked. Refresh this. Let's go over to hello. Boom. Moderator. User level is now moderator. Now these two particular things I'm actually going to put down below in the chat. So that's how you can change cooldowns and user levels through the chat as a moderator. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully just even these few tips will really help you out as a moderator. And ultimately you can make your streamer's experience a little bit easier and even a little bit more creative. Thanks so much for what you do. And hopefully this helps you do it better.